Let's just be honest with each other. It's a big waste of time going back and forth between TradingView and MetaTrader. Imagine that you have all the best trading systems right in your MetaTrader. Now you can analyze charts and take trades at the same place. We all know that MetaTrader 4 and 5 are the best trading platforms out there, and that's why we have created the best trading systems ever for MetaTrader, a complete smart trading kit that you can start using today right in your MT4 and MT5, Smart Money Concepts, ICT, Price Action Concepts, Market Structure, Supply and Demand, Support and Resistance, Trend Following and Reversal Strategies, you name it. More than 50 of the best indicators that will change the way you look at the chart. Identify trends and market structure like a pro. Automatic support and resistance. Automatic order blocks. Multi-time frames panels to find high time frames, market structure and trends. Volume and trend candle coloring. And much more. All this at the best price, no recurring payments, no monthly subscription. Get lifetime access now.